Is your Chevy Bolt key fob not working reliably? Replacing the battery yourself is a quick and easy way to save money versus going to the dealership. This video will show you how to replace the battery in your 2017-2021 Chevy Bolt key fob, and it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes and requires no special skills. The Chevy Bolt key fob is a wireless remote that communicates with your car at 314 MHz. It uses a standard, inexpensive CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. A new battery typically lasts 1 to 2 years. Reduced range or failure to operate indicates the battery needs replacing. We will be replacing the battery in this video. To replace the battery, you'll need a few simple tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the fob casing without scratching it. Tweezers can be helpful for handling the battery. Isopropyl alcohol may be needed to clean corroded contacts. First, locate the small notch or seam on the key fob, usually along the key blade edge. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the notch. Carefully pry open the casing, avoiding excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic. With the key fob open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Make sure to note the polarity. The positive side is usually facing up. Take the new CR2032 battery and insert it securely with the correct polarity. Use tweezers if needed to avoid touching the battery with your fingers. To reassemble the key fob, carefully align the two plastic halves and press them together until you hear the clips snap into place. Make sure the casing is fully closed without any gaps. Once reassembled, test the key fob by standing 10 to 15 feet from your Chevy Bolt and pressing the lock and unlock buttons. The vehicle should respond immediately. If the key fob doesn't work, double-check that the battery is inserted with the correct polarity, positive side facing up, and that all parts of the casing are properly snapped together. To prevent static electricity damage, wear an anti-static wrist strap connected to ground. This protects the sensitive electronics inside the key fob from electrostatic discharge. Dispose of the old lithium battery responsibly at a recycling center. Lithium batteries are hazardous waste and require special handling to protect the environment. If you encounter corrosion on the battery contacts, clean them gently with isopropyl alcohol applied to a cotton swab. This removes buildup and restores reliable function. Avoid getting any liquids on the circuit board. Even small amounts of moisture can cause short circuits and damage the electronic components permanently. Looking ahead, key fob technology is evolving rapidly. Many newer EVs, including post-2021 Chevy Bolts, offer digital keys via smartphone apps, reducing reliance on physical key fobs. Future fobs may include features like Bluetooth integration and auto replacement alerts. App-based entry via NFC may eventually phase out physical batteries by 2030. However, for now, this DIY replacement remains a cost-effective solution for 2017-2021 Bolt owners.